The HYPERX QUADCAST is a brand new gaming-oriented studio condenser microphone with a lot of different options. My favorite thing about the microphone is probably the way it looks. It includes a shock mount there to hold the microphone kind of isolated to reduce kind of vibration and noise and stuff with the mic, which is really cool to see. Not only that, but it has a built-in pop filter. You can see the red through the kind of the grill there. Now when the microphone is on, it's actually going to glow red with the LED that is quintessential to the HYPERX brand. I do like the attachment here, very good quality, not kind of bad quality like we've seen with Rode microphones that I've reviewed that have broken. Now this is the microphone on, and as you can see, it looks really cool. This is probably the coolest microphone out to date right now, and it's not just cool, but it's useful. Check that out. It's muted. Check that out now. It's unmuted. This is a really cool feature and very useful for making sure that you're being heard or making sure you're not heard. Now the gain settings down here are a double-edged sword. They're so easy to adjust. It's also too easy to adjust. I actually had to re-record this video segment because it had somehow kind of slipped forward and increased the gain too much. The microphone is intuitive and pleasurable to use. It even comes with a nice quality stand, pretty high quality metal right there. But it's fully compatible with boom arms. Now the microphone does have a good port selection as well. You could plug it in on the back. It's not going to be an annoying kind of way to plug in like the Blue Yeti. As you can see here, there's those different patterns to pick from, and you just plug it in right underneath the microphone. Alright guys, so this is what the HYPERX QUADCAST microphone sounds like up close and personal. As you can see, it looks pretty cool on the screen to have it there. It has like that cool red touch to it, and it's very easy to mute as well. What do you think? I think the microphone sounds pretty good, pretty close, or maybe a little bit better than the Blue Yeti. Pretty comparable there. Now with something like the Rode as well, which is a bit more expensive than this, maybe $30 increase. The Blue Yeti might be $30 cheaper or so. Blue Yeti's around 100. This is around 130. The Rode microphone is around 160. Now in terms of this compared to the Rode microphone, I think this has better features. The Rode microphone didn't really have a mute setting, so there's that to consider. Another thing about this is that it does have the gain setting, which is cool. The Rode setting didn't have the gain setting either. The Blue Yeti did have gain setting and the ability to swap from cardioid and stuff like that as well, and the mute setting. But the gain setting was on the back of the Blue Yeti, not on the front, so it's a little more finicky. Not only that, but the mute setting on this works a lot better than pushing a button, which kind of makes the microphone have more problems there in terms of like bumping it or something like that. Also, I think the cord that comes with this is pretty good. It plugs into the back very easily. Blue Yeti was underneath, which was really annoying and not the best placement. Not only that, but this comes with this cool shock mount. So the HYPERX QUADCAST is a very good microphone for your money. I think it has a lot of cool innovative features, kind of has that gaming bent, but it also still sounds pretty good in terms of the audio quality. If you want to purchase this microphone, go ahead and check in the link in the description down below. I'm not sponsored by HYPERX, but I do really like their products. I have their keyboard, I have a headset. They're all very good products and worth the money. Anyways guys, see you again very soon on the next video review.